Before we begin, may I ask you a small favor? If our lessons help you, please subscribe to the channel right now. Your support helps other English learners find us, and it truly means a lot to us. Thank you. Let's start. Welcome back to your favorite English channel. Today's lesson is important because many English learners find it difficult to talk about their weekend activities. With these simple sentences, you will learn how to describe your weekends clearly and naturally. Listen carefully and repeat after us.
Let's begin.
Repeat after me. On the weekend, I wake up later than usual. On the weekend, I wake up later than usual.
I take my time getting out of bed. I take my time getting out of bed.
I stretch and relax in the morning. I stretch and relax in the morning.
I start my day slowly. I start my day slowly.
I make a warm breakfast. I make a breakfast.
I enjoy my morning without rushing. I enjoy my morning without rushing.
I sit quietly and check my messages. I sit quietly and check my messages.
I plan what I want to do today. I plan what I want to do today.
Repeat after me. I clean my home on the weekend. I clean my home on the weekend.
I vacuum the floor. I vacuum the floor.
I dust the furniture. I dust the furniture.
I organize my desk. I organize my desk.
I change my bed sheets. I change my bed sheets.
I clean the bathroom. I clean the bathroom.
I wash my clothes. I wash my clothes.
I fold my clean laundry. I fold my clean laundry.
I open the windows for fresh air. I open the windows for fresh air.
Repeat after me. I go grocery shopping on the weekend. I go grocery shopping on the weekend.
I make a list before I go. I make a list before I go.
I walk around the store slowly. I walk around the store slowly.
I choose fresh fruits and vegetables. I choose fresh fruits and vegetables.
I look for things I need for the week. I look for things I need for the week.
I pay at the cashier. I pay at the cashier.
I carry my bags home. I carry my bags home.
I put everything away neatly. I put everything away neatly.
Repeat after me. I relax more on the weekend. I relax more on the weekend.
I watch my favorite movies. I watch my favorite movies.
I listen to my favorite music. I listen to my favorite music.
I read a book I enjoy. I read a book I enjoy.
I cook something delicious. I cook something delicious.
I try new recipes for fun. I try new recipes for fun.
I drink tea or coffee and relax. I drink tea or coffee and relax.
I spend time doing what I enjoy. I spend time doing what I enjoy.
Repeat after me. I meet my friends on the weekend. I meet my friends on the weekend.
We go for a walk with them. We go for a walk with them.
We talk about our week. We talk about our week.
We sit in a cafe together. We sit in a cafe together.
I enjoy good conversations. I enjoy good conversations.
I take pictures when I go out. I take pictures when I go out.
I spend quality time with people I like. I spend quality time with people I like.
Repeat after me. I take care of myself on the weekend. I take care of myself on the weekend.
I take a long shower. I take a long shower.
I take a short nap when I need it. I take a short nap when I need it.
I stretch my body to feel better. I stretch my body to feel better.
I drink more water. I drink more water.
I enjoy quiet time for myself. I enjoy quiet time for myself.
I relax my mind and body. I relax my mind and body.
Repeat after me. I tidy up my home in the evening. I tidy up my home in the evening.
I prepare a light dinner. I prepare a light dinner.
I clean the kitchen after eating. I clean the kitchen after eating.
I choose my clothes for Monday. I choose my clothes for Monday.
I plan my goals for the week. I plan my goals for the week.
I think about what I want to improve. I think about what I want to improve.
I get ready for bed. I get ready for bed.
I sleep earlier than usual. I sleep earlier than usual.
Repeat after me. My weekend helps me relax. My weekend helps me relax.
My weekend gives me energy for the week. My weekend gives me energy for the week.
My weekend makes me feel calm and refreshed. My weekend makes me feel calm and refreshed.
My weekend is a time for rest and joy.
Now it's your turn. Say one sentence about your weekend.
Think of one simple sentence.
Say it out loud.
Now write your sentence in the comments. We will help you improve it. Thank you for practicing with us today. Please remember to subscribe, comment, like, and share for more simple English lessons every week.
If you want extra help, you can view English courses on Udemy. The link is in the description.
And if you would like to support our work with a donation, you can visit our page on Buy Me a Coffee. The link is also in the description.
Keep practicing every day. We will see you soon.